Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Guidewell Insights Lounge. My name is Kate Warnock, and we're here at day 4 of Singularity University's Exponential Medicine. I'm really delighted to have two special guests who traveled a very, very far way. We have Willem Herter and Wouter Kroese. Welcome to the interview.
Hi, thanks.
These gentlemen are both the founders of PacMed. PacMed is one of the startups that was here in the Innovation Lab, and I was hoping that you could start with telling us a little bit about your company.
Of course. We're a clinical decision support system for GPs, for general practitioners, and we provide them with information about the expected outcome of different treatments. And that's based on the EMR data that they are providing themselves while generating care.
Understood.
And generating the data while providing the care, of course.
Okay.
And we reuse this information to provide patients only with the care that has proven to work in practice.
Very good. So it's evidence-based.
Yeah,
Exactly.
It's practice-based. That's
Right.
what we all say.
Absolutely.
So,
Truly evidence-based sometimes.
Absolutely. So what brings you to XMed? What did you hope to get from the experience?
well, we're with the Dutch VVAA, that's the Dutch Doctors Association, and we're very happy to be here. We were at the Health Innovation Lab for 2 days, and we met a lot of very inspiring people. We learned a lot about the market in America because we were curious about how America is doing with data-driven medicine. So yeah, we're very happy. We had a nice couple of days.
So Wouter, maybe I'll direct this to you. What was the problem that you were specifically looking to solve with PacMed?
Well, it is incredibly hard to know which medicine would help which patient best. Currently we're learning only from very little patients, while there are tons of factors that have influence on which outcome you will have getting a certain treatment. And we want to learn from every patient what medicine will work best for them specifically.
Absolutely. So do you have a strategy for how you will scale and perhaps reach a larger marketplace?
Yeah, it is very important for us, for PacMed, to start in practice as soon as possible, since we found that a lot of big data initiatives in healthcare remain in academia, and there's so much to be done in practice as well. So making sure you really answer questions doctors are having in practice and that really help them giving better care. So therefore we started with the case urinary tract infections, which is relatively simple and common, such that we can get into practice as soon as possible and learn as much from there. But then we want to scale and probably towards the common chronic diseases, since there's a lot of data and they are very complex, and there's a lot to be learned from those diseases, so that's where we will be heading to first.
All right, so gentlemen, I'm sure that you have a strategy too for, how do you overcome what might currently be limiting your ability to grow your business? What might those factors be?
Yeah, well, one factor might be if we expanding to multiple diseases, and especially the chronically ill, as Wouter just said, then we're going to have to combine different data sets, because we're very much aware for diabetics or the kidney failure, chronically diseases, you need lifestyle data of the patients, and that's going to be a big challenge, how to combine those data sets with each other so that our advices still remain statistically significant, basically.
Absolutely. So you mentioned at the beginning that you're affiliated with the VVAA, and we've had many of your colleagues here on the Insights Lounge. I think that you're probably really positioned very well to kind of launch larger into the market, but tell startups, what can larger healthcare players do to help enable your growth?
What I think is very important towards the road towards data-driven medicine is that these large companies or large institutes create a data ecosystem on which initiatives like ours can thrive. So those systems really need to talk with each other and start making data available so that we can give patients better care.
And I think that's an issue that we've heard so much about, interoperability. It really is the key to success of so many companies, isn't it? Yeah. Absolutely. Well, Willem and Wouter, it was delightful having you on as our guests here at the Guidewell Insights Lounge. I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.
We'll be up shortly with another interview soon.
Thank you, Katie.
Thank you.